Standard operating procedure under sub-rule 5 of Rule 34A of MCDR 2017 for carrying out drone survey and submission of digital aerial, drone and satellite image of mining area to Indian Bureau of Mines, Nagpur, March 2023. So today we are going to discuss about this data format. Which are the data format we need to submit to the IBM. So the first format is orthomosaic image of lease area including 100-meter buffer zone, single image. This is we need to submit 5 centimeter, below 5 centimeter resolution in UTM WS84 datum. And this format is GeoTIFF. The second one is digital elevation model, 3D. Digital surface model including 100-meter buffer zone. Then digital terrain model including 100-meter buffer zone. This we need to submit below 15 centimeter resolution in UTM WS84 and the format is GeoTIFF. The total GCP DGP survey data and permanent GCP data, plan of GCP in GCS WS84 datum and UTM WS84 datum. Okay. This is we need to submit in MS Excel format. The GCP which we are going to tag geotagging, that we need to submit dot save file in point geometry along with associate files. So after processing the data, so we will get that root mean chi-square error. So that error report we need to submit to the IBM. Map showing following feature of the preceding financial year. That is, survey has been carried out in 2023. Then map for only 22-23 to be submitted. So we need to provide save file. ML boundary means mine lease boundary, mineral storage. So what are the surface plan we have made for April 2023? That map we need to submit to the IBM. So above mentioned applicable land use data to be provided in a single save file. So we need to submit as a save file format with proper nomenclature of feature in attribute data of this save file. Okay. So lease boundary pillar. So lease boundary pillar also we need to submit as a specified format. So drone survey log sheet in the PDF format. So how we are going to submit this data after completion of this all formats and work? The processed output data of the drone survey as per para 10 above shall be submitted in soft copy only in storage media, that is external hard disk pen drive, on or before 1st day of July every year, along with the details of the survey carried out as per the format annexed to the SOP at the following address. So we need to send the regional office as well as this regional office and the Nagpur head office. So before submission of the data of Indian Bureau of Mines, state government leases shall ensure that all the data submitted fully complies with the SOP. So that annexure 1. So we need to fill, there were 22, yeah, there were 26 things are there. So one by one I'm going to dictate name of the mines, name of the lease, location of the mines, village, taluka, district, state, total lease area, mine code, IBM registration number under Rule 45 of MCDR 2017, mineral, method of mining, open cast or underground, name of the drone agency, remote pilot license number, unique identification number, UN number of drone, category of remotely pilot aircraft, nano, micro, small, medium, large, type of drone, fixed wing or multi-rotor with specification, survey start date and end date and time, name of the pilot and observation during the survey if any, type of sensor camera used along with specification, height of the flight above ground level and altitude in meter of ground where drone flight, total number of GCPs, device used for the collection of GCP, total RMSE, root mean square error, name of the agency who have processed the output data, software used for processing the data, proposed excavation during the preceding year as per mining plan in cubic meter mineral and waste, actual excavation during the preceding year in cubic meter mineral and waste as per annual return submitted to IBM, data folder name and size, UTM zone considered in projected coordinate system. So this is we need to fill out. Okay. So this is mentioned in the IBM SOP. Thank you.